Hi, I am Sherry. Tomato egg stir-fry is the easiest and fastest dish for breakfast in my eyes, and it is nutritious as well. There are loads of methods to make it. Today, I will show you 3 of them. The first dish is made with fresh tomato. Chop half the tomato into small pieces and half into big. Whisk the eggs with salt and spring onion. Cook the mixture into boiling oil for 1 minute or until set. Move the eggs to another container. Cook the small pieces of tomato for 1 minute or until softened. Add big pieces of tomato then. Simmer for a while, then add the eggs. Stir for a little bit, then simmer again for 2 to 3 minutes. Scatter over the spring onion and stir with rice. The second stir-fry dish is made by canned tomato. The way to cook it is very similar to the fresh tomato one. The canned tomato is very juicy and tastes strong. It is good to stir with Chinese noodles. It only takes 5 to 10 minutes to make, so it is an efficient breakfast. There are protein, fiber, and vitamins, also very delicious.
比如说你现在人在楼下，我说你。妈妈。
The last one today I'm going to make is Shakshuka, that is eggs poached in tomatoes. It is a dish from Mediterranean, so we should cook it with olive oil. You can add any kind of spicy elements you like, such as onion, garlic, cloves, cilantro and cumin, etc. And feel free if you don't have them. All you need are two basic ingredients, just tomato or canned tomato and eggs. Simmer the tomato until boiled. You can add chili powder or paste. Then make room for each egg. You can decide the level of egg, scatter over the spicy leaves, and season the taste as you like. Shakshuka can be served with naan bread or just bread, and you can have just by itself. I am Sherry. If you like my video, just give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell, and you will not miss any news from my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.